So everyone guys, Zakir here back with a video, and I'm extremely sorry that I haven't been around for a month or so, but yeah, I'm back to normal. I'm back again and posting videos. Anyways, in this video we'll be taking a look at the Walton Primo X5. So without much further ado, let's go straight in the video. Well, starting off with the packaging of the device, it's just amazing. The device is one of the top-notch packaging with the most beautiful finish of the box. The device cost around 25,000 taka in Bangladesh, and I have to say that this is worth every penny. You might as well say that it isn't worth it, but trust me, it is. Getting into the design of the smartphone of the device has a nice smooth finish design with a fantastic outlook. The body of the device is full plastic with the back remaining a nice shiny finish. The back looks amazing here, but to be fair honest, fingerprints catch up very easily and is a very irritating issue, just like any other shiny surface back. Other than that, there isn't anything else you wouldn't like about the design. It looks phenomenal under direct sunlight, and even under the room light, the shiny finish looks amazing. A very eye-catching thing at the back is the camera. We will talk about the camera specification later, but the camera, for instance, look phenomenal, to be fair honest. The sides houses the smart power button and the volume rockers, with the bottom housing the Type-C fast charging port. Other than all that goodness, keep in mind that this device unfortunately does not have any headphone jack. Obviously, Walton had to keep up with all the improvement that the other smartphone companies are carrying with a no headphone jack revolution. Talking about the performance of this device, the phone has the 8-core ARM Cortex A53 processor with 6GB of 1600 MHz RAM, a storage space of 64GB, and an ARM Mali G720 graphics card. All these specifications all together makes this device a perfect buy for any type of usage. Using this for playing games like PUBG, Fortnite Mobile, or basically any game that you can think of, including Asphalt, the device performs really well. The memory in this device can also be upgraded using microSD card. The phone comes with Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box as well. However, with newer version of updates, you will be able to update the system OS. Other than that, if you are concerned about battery health of the device, the Walton Primo X5 has a battery health of 3450 mAh. Moving on to the display of the device, the phone has a 5.99 inch display, which is actually 6-inch display with a 1080 to 2160 resolution. The display is an IPS panel with 403 ppi pixels per inch density. Other than all that, it has a 2.5D curved glass featuring capacitive multi-touch, scratch resistance, and all that things. While playing games and watching normal music videos and any YouTube videos on this thing, the phone performed really well. There was no dead pixels or blank viewing angles. The phone overall did an amazing job on the viewing angle and all that stuff. Now last but not least, the camera of the device. As I have mentioned at the very beginning, the main center of attraction at the back of the device is the dual lens camera with the dual flash. The camera in the back of Walton Primo X5 is a 13-megapixel shooter with an image resolution of 4116 to 3120. Other than that, the front camera is a 15.93 megapixel shooter, which is almost a 16 megapixel shooter, and comes with a dual LED flash at the back as mentioned earlier. So this is for now guys. This is the review of this device, and to be honest, you might after watching all these minutes be asking that if this device is worth buying. Well, with the amazing jaw-breaking design, the amazing finish at the back that we mentioned at the very starting of the video, astonishing performance, and a mind-blowing camera, I would definitely say that this is really worth the money, only if you are looking to play games and get the high-end experience that you normally get with the Samsung S10 or any phone of that mark which has this specification. However, if you are willing to add some more money into it and you want to get a OnePlus 6T, then obviously you cannot compare this phone with OnePlus 6T or even the iPhone 8 or the iPhone X. So this is it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope this review was really helpful, and I will be uploading one more video within 3 days, so make sure you subscribe and come back to this channel as well. All my social medias are included in the description box down below. I will see you all in the next one, and take care guys. This is Zakir Hasan from Zarz Tech. Goodbye, peace.